Hello, I'm Terry Crown with Heavy Duty Powertrain, and I want to do a couple of specialty harnesses that we now stock. This is called a bypass harness for the M11 and N14 CelectPlus. This here comes with it is an OEM connector that plugs into your ECM. A lot of mechanics like these for testing if you haven't got a throttle pedal and you're not sure if it's the wiring going to it or what have you. And this harness will let you come right out of the ECM, and this connects to your power cable going to your battery. This one here ties in with your 60-some pin connector. Looks like it's for data possibly. Not quite sure on that one. And these two plugs plug into your TPS sensor. It's a 6-wire, so I believe that's the integrated throttle pedal. And you got a couple of alligator clips to also just plug into the battery to get your power. This runs $600, and it's also used for installing of say you're going to put a N14 CelectPlus engine or M11 CelectPlus in like an 87 Peterbilt or KW or something like that, and this will help you get off to the right start to get power and communication with the ECM and the throttle pedal, so you can start there and drive it and what have you. This is an original Cummins connector, so you can build off that. Right now it's probably got, I don't know, 10 wires or something, mainly for power and ground and TPS come out of it. All right, and it's got a fuse holder here on it too. So this is done professionally. These are custom made up for us. So that is the CelectPlus ECM. That'd be like 1996 and newer. And if you got any interest in that, call me with an engine serial number and see if it's correct. Thank you much, and you can always get a hold of me at 810-653-6300, or my Florida cell. I've still got that, 727-494-5514. And we'll see if we can start keeping the videos coming. Appreciate your patronage, and have a good day.